This is the Rock Cart Pro Professional Live Gig and Studio Equipment Transport Roller Cart. This heavy-duty cart is able to hold equipment up to 700 pounds and was designed for smooth and easy maneuverability on any surface, whether flat or bumpy. This cart is made from the thickest gauge steel tubes that gives the cart its strong design to last over multiple years of use, and it's powder coated to make it rust-proof. And the cart features a quick folding mechanism that allows you to fold the two handles down for easy transport or storing. And the folding mechanism has a reinforced design so the handles won't bend or break after multiple use. Another cool feature of the handles is that you can fold one down and actually use this cart as a hand truck. The Rock Cart Pro can also extend in the center to 5 different positions just by using one quick release push pin and 2 tightening knobs on the side, which gives you all the different lengths that you might need to transport your larger professional equipment. And even when you have the cart fully extended, it is very easy to steer because the 2 front wheels are swivel wheels that can turn in any direction. The 2 front wheels also have locks on them, so when it's time to unload your gear, you don't have to worry about the cart rolling away. The Rock Cart Pro is a versatile and built-to-last equipment transport cart that will fit all of your moving needs. So if you're looking for a professional and strong live gig and studio equipment transport roller cart that can hold up to 700 pounds, look no further than the Rock Cart Pro from Rockville.